Okay, so I just received my package from GlamFire, which is a girl that I get my nails done from. That's my first time ever getting any hair from her, so I kind of want to do a little mini review, but then again, this also ties in with my other video on how to bleach my knots for my wig that I'm actually making. I wanted to open up the package and unbox it, or in this case, open up the envelope for it regarding the package, the bundle that I'm using. So I have a 14-inch bundle that I ordered, as well as the 14-inch closure, lace closure. So I am going to, how can I set this up? The lace that I chose is a version lace closure, 14 inches. Hair color is a natural black. Style is straight, and it's a pure version, 100% Remy human hair. The one that I did select was the, I think it was Malaysian. At the color, it's very soft, very soft. This is the lace closure. It is a 4x4 closure, so I still have to bleach the ends as well as the knots. So I'll probably bleach the knots first, rinse that off, or I can do them both at the same time. I just don't want to leave the other bleach on too long where it starts seeping through. But it feels, oh my goodness, it feels amazing. Here is the 14-inch. So it says pretty much the same thing. This is a 14-inch, but this is the bundle. It's also Malaysian. This also feels super soft. Like, just look at it. Oh my God, I'm about to go and dye it. I'm definitely going to be buying some right here with her. If you have it in the light, it's like a dark brown black. So it